members of the fourth estate. Today we have had our Mbunge na Mwananchi national charter, and we have talked about many things. And I just want to urge that Mbunge na Mwananchi was formed on the basis of social justice, right of Kenyans, peace and unity. And Mbunge na Mwananchi are somehow intertwined with the KOTU, the Central Organization of Trade Union, And I just want to urge our members who are fighting Francis Atwoli that it is unhealthy. It is very unhealthy because Atwoli has been in the forefront of fighting for this nation. Atwoli, Njoya, Macharia, and Raila Odinga have immensely contributed to the socio-economic and political progression of this country, and therefore they deserve respect. Even if someone uses you, I just want to urge our members that let them not use the name of Mbunge la Mwananchi to swindle and also to blackmail people in the nation. That will belittle our space, and that will disadvantage or put our position at the merit in cooperation to fight for this nation towards Vision 2030. Mbunge la Mwananchi plays a very pivotal role in discussing issues affecting this country, and for that matter, I just want to urge our members to be within the program or be within the jurisdiction context of our roles and responsibility. Going to fight an elder like Francis Atwoli is unforgiven, and we have really lamented on it, and we really condemn it. And for that matter, they must desist and they must come out. Tomorrow we will have our session. Those who have been named, I think tomorrow will be around, and I know they will need their statements which they had earlier made against Atwoli. For that matter, Mbunge la Mwananchi is still there, and we will be fighting for the social justice of this nation, peace, equity, fairness, respect to the rule of law. That is our work. Our work is not to blackmail other people, because those people can incorporate us in spearheading our agenda of ensuring that our society goes in the right direction. With those few remarks, that's my kicker.
And Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Today at the Mbunge la Mwananchi proceedings,
yes.
There is this activist called Gaucho,
yes.
the ghetto president.
Yes.
It had something about you, Mr. Speaker, that you are about to be, I don't know, should I put it to be impeached without your knowledge? That there was a plan for change of Speaker of Mbunge la Mwananchi without your knowledge or without the knowledge of the Mbunge members. Are you aware about that?
Well, the impeachment process, we are in a democratic society, and you cannot be loved by many people. You cannot be loved by all people, I mean. And if I've done something contrary to the rules and regulations of Mbunge la Mwananchi, then I want it. But if I haven't, if they will come with that impeachment process and they challenge members and they challenge me, that I never worked within my jurisdiction, or rather I never did something that pleases or that tarnishes the name of Mbunge, well and good. We are in a democratic society, and if they convince that I made a mistake and I don't qualify to be in the Nini, I'll take the course. Otherwise, there's life after this.